All right, guys, my brand new 2021 Seagull Racer Delta 40 is almost ready. I got the engine installed except for the muffler, but I got the fuel tank installed, so she's almost ready. Stay tuned. All in these 6 new servos and the receiver and the battery, and then that's it. All right, guys, my 2021 Delta 40, she's almost ready. It's been a year. I got the engine installed. OS 46AX. The spinner. I'm gonna leave it as it is. I just ordered 11 AP6. I just ordered the AP6 11-inch sport propeller for the Delta 40. You can do 10.6 or 11.6 because it's a little bigger than the Mach Racer Delta 46. Wingspan 39-inch. With the Fataba 32MZ Delta 40. Oh, that's why I'm gonna say it again. With the Fataba 32MZ Delta 40. Oh, get ready. It will be ready soon, and we will be racing car for plane, and we're gonna be racing motorcycle for plane. If the number 5 wins, you will owe me $70,000 in cash. And as soon as I get that Jet 40 BSE on this one, and this will go 200 miles per hour, faster than a Porsche.